If you're looking for easy care color and beautiful foliage for the entire summer into the fall, look no further than ornamental sweet potato vines. Yes, us Louisianans are very used to sweet potatoes. It's one of our staple foods that we like. We are very fortunate to grow here in Louisiana, and there have been several different varieties that they have bred that are just easy care and provide a lot of color for your gardens. Now we've got these dark burgundies and the chartreuse. We've even got some variegated ones, and there's a new series that has been developed by Dr. Don Labonte with the LSU AgCenter that now is both ornamental and edible. So you can actually grow this Treasure Island series, as you can see here, and you can eat the tuberous roots that are grown. The leaves, the new tender leaves are edible, as well as the tuberous roots. Now, unlike Irish potatoes that are in the Solanaceae family, and the leaves are poisonous, we don't want to eat those. And because these are in the morning glory family, as you can see here, there's a bloom here that looks like a morning glory. Now these will do well in containers. They also do well in the landscape. And you don't have to do much with these. These will bloom in the fall, and it takes about 90 to 110 days for those tuberous roots to form. So into the fall is when we will be harvesting. But with ornamental sweet potatoes, we get both beautiful color. With the Treasure Island series, we also get those edible tuberous roots that are so good for you. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.